Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you don't know me, my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I am just going to do the swatches of the lipstick I bought and showed you guys in my last haul, and these lipsticks are from Elizabeth Arden, and I got 5 of these lipsticks, and these lipsticks I bought from wholesale, and I have showed you guys in my last haul about this lipstick and what was the price. I think I wrote it on that video. These lipsticks are literally so beautiful, and the original price of these lipsticks I will be just leaving it in the screen somewhere so you guys can know, but I bought these lipsticks for under $20 and the prices are in Australian dollars. So these lipsticks looks like this, and each of these has their own name, and the packaging looks like this. It's very nicely packed, and the name of this is here, Elizabeth Arden, and everything written in here, and it is just a cardboard packaging, and the real name of these lipsticks are here at the bottom of this box or top, I don't know, whichever side you will open. So I think it's at the bottom you're gonna find the name of these lipsticks, and they are nice, and I have opened this for but this is how it is packed, and it's sealed. So let me show you guys. It's very nicely packed, and yeah, it's very cute. So as I have noticed that 3 of these are same, the name are same. This one is Exceptional Lipstick, these 3, and these 2 I have just noticed that they are different from these 3. So these 2 are color intrigue effects. I guess you guys can see it's written here, color intrigue effects. So these 2 are different from these 3. Inside bottle is different, and the inside bottle looks like this of this one, and the other one, the first one I've showed, is this one. So these 2 bottles are different. This one looks more luxurious than this one to me, and both of these says Elizabeth Arden. It says here Elizabeth Arden, and this one it says here, and at the top you can see these 2 bottles. This one is just a plain, and this one has this design, and at the bottom both of this has their name, and this one, its net weight is 3.5 gram, and this one is 4 grams, so you get more product in this one, and this one has only 3.5 grams. So it looks like this. I think both of them look like same. No, this one, yeah, it looks like this. The inside bottle, this one is gold, this one is silver. So these lipsticks are literally so beautiful. I just love it. They are so creamy, and they don't get on my teeth. That's the most important thing I love about these lipsticks, and yeah, they are very creamy, and this red diamond 57, oh my gosh, I just love this red diamond 57, and it's so beautiful. I will be swatching this later on my lips and also on my hands so you guys can see. I haven't bronzed my face today, so just because I just wanted to look natural while applying this lipstick and see how this lipstick looks, and I just love it. It's literally so gorgeous, and you guys should definitely try these lipsticks by Elizabeth Arden, and it's so gorgeous. It's just so gorgeous. If you guys will buy these lipsticks, you will never need any other lipsticks. They are literally so beautiful. Before we move, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and do turn on that post notification if you want to see my future uploads, and do follow me on all social media. All the links will be below in the description box. And yes, if you guys want to see how these 5 lipsticks looks on my lips by Elizabeth Arden, then keep on watching. They are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I just love it. was it for today. So if you guys loved this video, then leave me a comment below and tell me which was your favorite. And if you guys have used any of these lipsticks, then also tell me which shade you got. And yeah, this was it. And also don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. I love you all, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.